Ever wondered about security features on official documents? Today, let's dive into the world of identification documents, but with a crucial disclaimer: creating counterfeit IDs is absolutely illegal. And this video is strictly about understanding the real features and ethical considerations, not how to fabricate anything. We're focusing on the real thing. The first thing to know is that legitimate IDs are built with layers of complexity to prevent fraud. Look closely at a real identification document. You will notice several features, starting with its material. Most ID cards and documents like the driver's license are made of special, durable plastics or heavily watermarked paper. These materials are difficult to replicate perfectly. Microprinting, tiny text that is almost invisible to the naked eye, is a key security measure. You will need a magnifying glass to see it. Even high-resolution scanners struggle to copy microprinting. This feature is designed mainly to make it harder for someone to counterfeit the identity card. Holograms, those shiny, three-dimensional images, are another telltale sign of authenticity. They are very difficult to replicate due to their complex manufacturing processes. Serial numbers are equally important, and ID cards have them to allow tracking and verification, ensuring a unique identifier for each legitimate document. Remember, creating fraudulent identification documents carries severe legal penalties. They could lead to hefty fines or criminal charges. This video is about learning, not about breaking the law. We must respect ethics and the law. So, stay informed, stay ethical, and always prioritize legal compliance. Thanks for watching.